Hi guys, Alex Shuka here at All Seasons RV. If you're truly looking for awesome deals, you have to check out these 2024 Wolf Dens and Wolf Pups by Cherokee. Let's start with the Wolf Den 262 DBH. This is a fantastic camper for families. It sleeps up to 9 people. Now, if you're looking for a couples coach, the 242 TR Wolf Den is going to be perfect for you because it's less than 33 feet in length and it's less than 6,000 pounds. But if you're looking for something small, come check out these Wolf Pups. Like I said, if you're looking for something small, these Wolf Dens, I mean Wolf Pup 18 CBs, they're great. They're wide open, they're small, they're good. You never know what you're going to find here at All Seasons RV, but at least you'll know how much you save. Click on the link in the bio or visit us at our website at asrvs.com.